Oh, that's them there. Yeah, this little thing is heavy and okay, so Mark and I spent the day out in the cold and trying to get an idea what's happening with the convoy. And actually on Wednesday he had decided he would like to do a road trip to Ottawa, so he booked a hotel room, and I'm packing now for a road trip for 2 days. I have no idea if and when I'm going to be posting again. And hopefully everything will be hunky-dory and no issues. I don't really expect any problems, but it's the place to be right now. So, packing my bags for a road trip. And I learned today that, yes, it's still extremely cold out there. So, definitely Tony, who has never worn a hat in her life, bought a cap, and I also bought a little neck warmer and some gloves, and I think I shouldn't need the neck warmer for the drive down, and I shouldn't need the gloves, but I'm going to keep those out just in case. And so 2 days worth of packing. It's still pretty light, and I guess the only other thing I do have to pack is all my camera equipment, and I may or may not post some shots from my travels to Ottawa this weekend. We'll see what happens. Certainly not interested in upsetting anybody, but we are going, and we will be gathering some information. So whether it's post-worthy or not is another story. And I think I'm going to use my backpack for my camera equipment. I've emptied it out. This is normally my go-to bag in case of an emergency, just grab and run bag, but I've emptied it out, and I will be using it for camera equipment, and I will not bring a purse, and I'll put everything in that bag. So trying to be as comfortable as possible on this trip. It is cold out there. We were out today and it is bitter, and but it was a good day.